Our mission at Diversey is to protect and care for people every day through leading infection prevention and cleaning solutions, and that has never been more important than right now during the pandemic. I'm really excited about getting back to the office and meeting with colleagues and clients, but understandably there's a level of anxiety about our return into the office place.
Whether your facility was a quarantine location, been running with a reduced number of staff for weeks on end, or entirely closed, when it's time to welcome your staff and clients back, we want to make sure that you are doubly safe. Using Oxivir wipes will lower the risk of cross-contamination and ensure a healthy environment for staff and clients. They are easy and safe to use. No PPE or training is required, and they can be used anytime as no harmful chemicals are used or sprayed into the atmosphere. At Diversey, we want to help you protect your teams and create an environment that they feel safe returning to.